Welcome to Imagination Station. Today I come with the story of Benny the bunny and Sammy the squirrel about road safety. One day, Benny the bunny was going to his friend Sammy Squirrel's house, who lived on the other side of the town. Benny was crossing the road. Oh, look, beautiful butterfly! Benny the bunny, distracted by the beautiful butterfly, and ignored the traffic. Bus driver came out of the bus and said,
Benny, what were you thinking? You could have been hurt.
Oh, sorry. I wasn't paying attention. I didn't stop to look both ways.
It's a big mistake, Benny. Okay, let me teach you some road safety rules. First, I will stop at the curb while crossing the road. Second, look left, right, then left again for the traffic. Third, hold someone's hand while crossing the road. And fourth, obey traffic signals and signs.
I'll remember. I'll remember.
Now Benny is crossing the road by obeying all the traffic signals and signs.
Yay! I'm obeying it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm following all the traffic rules and signs. I'm happy.
Benny arrives safely at Sammy's house and told him about his close call.
Wow, Bunny! You are so responsible. I am proud of you. Thanks, Sammy. I have learned my lesson. Traffic safety is very important. Let's play and have fun. Yay!